guys, so pupunta na tayo sa ating pinning ceremony. So this is our outfit. Muna tayo. Tapos ito na yung makeup natin. Ayan. So naka-contact lens tayo.
First dasal lang eh.
So, here's the ganap sa ring ceremony at late na ako. Ito po yung mama ni Queen. Baga mo nga sila.
Ay, sasama ka niya sa vlog niya. Ayaw na walang mata.
Oo nga niya.
Balikan naman yan.
Nasaan si ano? Wala pala si Justin. Nandun pala sa dulo. Daming tao, no?
Pipicturean ko yung ano natin.
Ha?
Grandy ROTC Cadets.
Castellano Cristina. Sericon Mary Queen.
And I'm feeling good.
Dito? Dahil saan daan yan sa ano ko basement? Dahil.
Ang dami nagpipicture na sila.
Is ganda yan sa init. Ha? Is ganda sa init.
Ka-graduate na ako! Eh, nasa?
PICC.
Ang next ay, ikaw ang next. Siya po
Malayo
next,
pa, malayo.
next year.
Isa't kalahating taon pa. Hindi mo dinala.
Hindi ka nagdala ng ano?
Ring niya.
Ang ano po?
Ay, mo yung...
Yung ganito po, yung sinuot niya.
Diba?
Tatay.
Oh, Queen. Nasa BG.
Ay, picture mo natin.
Nasa likod natin.
Isa pa.
Ay, titi.
Son. Christina!
Yung mga extra po,
Ganda. Sobra. Latina.
matang aso.
With eye tape.
Kaya
Queen.
sa kanyang pala nag-alay na gandang diwa at sa kanyang yumi at ganda dayuhan ay naadina bayan ko binihag ka nasadlak sa dusa.
Pass hands to the left.
To give respect and honor to our guest speaker. Now, it is with pride and honor to welcome our guest speaker, together with our Board of Trustees of Granby Colleges of Science and Technology, and our honored guest. Please help me to welcome none other than Honorable Ana Teresa Riza Ontiveros Barca, the Senator of the Philippines. Let us give her a massive round of applause. Honorable Ana Teresa Riza Hontiveros Barca, the Senator of the Philippines.
Salamat po, Board Member. Maupo po tayong lahat, mga kababayan. Mga kababayan talaga dahil tulad ng sinabi ko kina Press, taga Salinas po sa Rosario, si mami ko. So, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Sa pamunuan ng Granby Colleges of Science and Technology Incorporated, sa ating mga administrators, faculty, staff, proud fellow parents and guardians, at higit sa lahat, sa ating mga nagsipagtapos ngayong araw. Congratulations! Palakpakan natin ang ating mga graduates. Hayaan niyo rin po akong batiin ng natatangi yung ating mga pinuno na nandito sa ating harapan. Sina Naib Municipal Mayor Honorable Romel Anthony Magditan.
Balubaga J. Princess D. Pasaka Carol M. Kabigin Renette A. Castellano Cristina S. Sericon Mary Queen B. Quenza Lorgen A. Kwanzaa Lord Day. Beautiful songs. Let's show our graduation by giving them a fabulous round of applause. Their achievements deserve to be celebrated and should show our support and admiration. To all the graduates and to our supportive parents, congratulations. This day calls for a celebration. Thank you for gracing this momentous occasion with us. So before we officially conclude these exercises, we would like to convey our sincerest felicitations to those who are in every way that made this occasion a success.
To our esteemed guest of honor and guest speaker,
Make it true, together we shine. Our dreams are here, the future mine. The love and faith, we'll see it through. This victory belongs to you. Our future shines the light. It's the brightest the faith of faith. Our parents love to take and tin. The reason why the prize we win. Where we stand, a brand new start, with courage burning in our hearts. Burning down to live with you, we celebrate with you. Made it true, together we shine. The dreams are here, the future's mine. With love and faith, we'll see it true. This victory